Hey guys, this is Manish from Manish Helps. Lot of people ask me about where the real estate market is headed to. And I tell them that right now the real estate market is actually sandwiched between two type of forces. One type of force is obviously the higher immigration as well as the shortage of the housing in the Canadian economy. And then another type of force is exclusively higher interest rates. So basically, our real estate market is squeezed between those two different opposing forces. Right now, the higher interest rate force seems to be winning. Obviously, we are kind of close to the end of the interest rate hiking cycle. So people are actually waiting for the stoppage of bad news. As soon as there is a stoppage of the bad news of interest rate increases is there by BOC, Bank of Canada, then obviously real estate market will start to go up, creep up a bit. Again, especially when we have a lot of demand for the housing, there are a lot of new immigrants coming. There are not enough houses being built in this economy because this is unpredictable economy, and many builders are also shying away from building new houses, bringing new projects. So again, we are just waiting for the stoppage of the bad news. And as soon as there is a stoppage of the bad news and possibly some good news about decreasing the interest rates, then definitely the market will start going up back again. Now, we don't know when it will exactly happen. Obviously, we have seen the inflation rates coming down significantly last month, which is actually a good sign. But again, that inflation rate is not as per the expectation of Bank of Canada. Hopefully, Bank of Canada will also revise their target rate of 2%. Because that seems to be a little bit unrealistic to achieve in such a short time. Anyways, so time will tell where we are headed to, but seems like we are at the end of the interest rate hiking cycle, and as soon as it stops, the good news will start pouring in. The real estate market will again come back to the life. Right now it is under tremendous pressure. At the same time, the real estate market has not gone down as it was expected maybe about 6 months ago. A lot of economists and even Bank of Canada was expecting the market to go down in this increased interest rates environment, but obviously that hasn't happened, and then the prices have remained quite stable even with this tremendous pressure. So again, we'll keep eyes on the data next month, what happens with the inflation, and then hopefully the inflation will come close to Bank of Canada's expectations, and hopefully they can indicate that no more interest rate hikes, and then possibly start decreasing the interest rates maybe next year.